I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a Roblox account and enough Robux because you will purchase the girl mesh face. Once in Berry Avenue, head straight to the in-game shop or accessory kiosk. This is where creators list mesh faces. You should search for the exact name or item ID. That prevents buying the wrong face. Make sure your avatar permissions allow custom assets. If you lack Robux, buy from the official catalog. Do not use third-party sellers. Now you purchase and immediately equip the mesh face. You buy it in-game or redeem the item ID in Roblox catalog, then open Avatar Editor and navigate to faces or accessories depending on how the asset is classified. Equip the new face and use scaling and layer controls to align eyes, mouth, and cheeks correctly. Different avatar rigs need slight tweaks. Once done, test the face in a private server to confirm compatibility and that no default face parts conflict with the mesh. Finish by validating the face in active gameplay. Join a test server and try standard emotes and animations to spot clipping or misalignment. If you see clipping, go back to Avatar Editor and adjust layering or scale by small increments such as 0, 1 to 0, 5 until it sits right. Make sure to clear cache and rejoin if visuals persist. If problems continue, contact the asset creator for instructions or request a refund through Roblox within the allowed time window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.